What's up guys, Intellitech Mobile here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a brand new, I did already take off the plastic, but a brand new OnePlus Nord N200 5G. Best Buy has these on sale right now for, I believe it was either $159 or $169. In fact, if I pull this off, the receipt is in here so I can verify for sure what that was. It was $169. So with sales tax, that was $185 in my particular case, which is a really good deal for a brand new OnePlus phone. Now, of course, box, all that stuff. So we've already got it open. Now if we look at the back, we can see the specs. It is the OnePlus Nord N200 5G, has Android of course. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's the blue quantum color. And this one's from June 10th, 2022. So, here's the phone. Pretty simple. Got some IMEI information, and we've got it on this little sleeve that just slides right out. And here's the blue quantum, very nice. So we've got the sticker right here. We'll just peel that off. If this will hopefully come off in one piece. Oh. Thank you, OnePlus, for putting a sticker here that leaves residue. Well, that's unfortunate, but the insert, and then there's our phone. We'll go ahead and power it up. We've got a fingerprint sensor on the side built into the power button. We've got very lovely color other than that. And we'll power this up. Should have some juice, hopefully. There we go, OnePlus. Looks like it's an AMOLED display, so that's good. We've got a little hole punch right there in the corner. Very nice. I do love this color. It's very pretty. This is not my phone. This is my fiance's phone. My phone will be coming in a few days, my new phone, to replace my Note 9. But there's the fingerprint sensor, and on the side we've got separate power buttons, which I like. We've got the SIM card tray right there. I'm not sure if this is an SD card or not, but we'll go ahead and try that. So we'll open this up right here. It's really tight in there, it does not want to come out. There we go. So we've got our USB Type-C cable. So it's USB-A to USB-C in this beautiful red color. We've got our power brick right here. Power supply unit. If we look at this, the output is 5 volts 2 amps. Input is 100 to 240 volts. So I believe, based on those specs, I don't know if this is a fast charge brick, but hey, pretty interesting. So that is that. And in here we've got all of our paperwork. So we've got right there, Nord, little card right there with SIM card information, safety information. Got the SIM card tool right here. Pull this out and poke myself with it apparently. So we can open this up. Aha, so this is both a SIM and SD card, if it'll focus. Both a SIM and SD card. Very nice. Pop that open. And that's that. That's nice. So there we are, the startup. So I'm not going to set this up because again this isn't my phone, but that's pretty much it. Seems pretty fast. It's at 44% out of the box. Now, one thing I want to confirm is I believe it said it's supposed to support wireless charging, so I'm going to put this on the wireless charger and see. And it does not, unfortunately. So, I don't know why they did that. I hate it when these companies do this. This is clearly a plastic back that could very easily support wireless charging, but they decided to save the extra 5 cents and not put a coil in it. So, no wireless charge, but you do have USB Type-C. You do have a headphone jack. Got a speaker right there, doesn't want to focus on this color. And the back does look really nice.
So there is that. And we do have an SD card slot as well, so that's pretty good. So that's pretty much it. Just a super quick unboxing of the OnePlus Nord N200 5G. This was Intellitech Mobile signing out. See you guys in the next video, and I hope you all have a good one. Peace. If you got one of these phones, let me know how you like it in the description, or not description, in the comments below.